Sa Banco by BPI po, what should I choose? Pondo ko Savings or Todo Savings? Okay, let's talk about the difference sa Banco by BPI, the Pondo ko Savings or Todo Savings. Alin nga ba sa dalawang to ang kailangan yung i-open? First, ano nga ba ang dalawang to? Si Pondo ko Savings Account is a basic savings account. It is best for everyday use, especially if you want to send money via InstaPay. Meron ding pay bills, cash withdrawal, or mag-buy ka ng load. While si Todo Savings naman is the high interest savings account ni Banco by BPI. This is best for growing your savings and you can use it via Banco by BPI application. Now, in terms of interest rate, dahil usually everyday mo naman ginagamit si Pondo ko, it's only 0.06 to 5% interest per annum. It's like similar lang talaga sa traditional savings. However, si Todo Savings by Banco by BPI is up to 5% interest per annum. Well, basically, it's 5% interest per annum because you don't have to do any emissions. Kailangan mo lang ilagay with the minimum of 5,000 pesos in order for your money to earn interest. Up to 1 million pesos ang pwedeng i-earn ng 5% interest per annum, and for less than 5,000 pesos and more than 1 million pesos, babalik siya sa 0.0625% interest per annum ang magiging interest niya. Now, for the requirements and the balance rules. Sa Kay Pondo ko, you can open in any amount, even as small as 50 pesos. But to earn interest, kailangan mong maglagay ng at least 500 pesos. Pero the good thing is, no maintaining balance. Si Todo Savings naman, no initial requirement, but as I have said, kailangan mong maglagay ng at least 5,000 pesos for you to earn 5% per annum. Also, no maintaining balance ang kailangan dito. So in summary, eto siya. You can screenshot this for you to know which account is best for you. As I've said, if you want a basic everyday account, you go open a Pondo ko Savings. It's easy to open, flexible, and for easy transactions like small savings. But if your goal is to let your money earn more interest, then you go with the Todo Savings for your short to medium term goal. So there you go. I hope I have answered your question, and if you have more questions about Banco by BPI, let me know in the comments. And if you want to open an account, you can do it via link in my bio, and you can use this referral code for you to get an additional reward.